Hi friends, welcome to KSP Academy. In the last class, we already started the introduction to the insulators. In the insulator concept, we heard there are two important concepts. In the last video, I was told you we have the two voltages, that is puncture voltage and flashover voltage, and factor of safety. So insulator has to maintain more puncture voltage to the flashover voltage. That is the concept I was told you. In this video, I should discuss what is the flashover voltage and what is the puncture voltage. So let us, I can write it is, the concept is here. Number one, it is flashover voltage. Next, second concept is puncture voltage. PUMC, puncture voltage. Next, third is factor of safety. Factor of safety or safety factor, both are same. Factor of safety or safety factor, both are same. This thing. So, what is the flashover voltage? Example, what is the flashover voltage means? Let us, we have the line supports. Let us, we have a cross arm. With this, we are connected a disc type insulators. There are three different types of discs. I should clearly draw the diagram for the sake of your understanding. The disc type insulator we are drawing it is. We have a suspension insulator or a conductor we are having. So when you are applying the voltage to the transmission line possessing some voltage. At particular voltage, if keep on the voltage increases, at a particular voltage, there is a potential difference will create this line conductor to the ground wire. Line conductor to this is earth conductor. The flashes will create. Slight flashes will be there. The voltage exceeds more than the rated voltage. That time the insulator it is not supposed to be there that much of voltage. That time a slight flashes will be there to between the insulators and the power conductor. Flashes will be there. So slight flashes, nothing but sparks will create. The voltage at which the flashes or sparks will create between your line conductor to the insulators, nothing but earthwise, earthing the like cross arms. That voltage is called as a flashover voltage. Nothing but we can say that the voltage at which flashes will occur in the insulators in transmission lines. The voltage at which the flashes will come, just flashes will come, sparks will create between line conductor to your insulators. Such a voltage is called as a flashover voltage. So next, puncture voltage. The puncture voltage is nothing but same story, but little slight different. Same thing, you have to take your disc insulators, you have a power conductor. So whenever you are having the voltage, is a regular voltage, a normal voltage, rated voltage, no problem. There is no sparks. The transmission line working is very smooth. The voltage exceeds a certain value, or else the insulator capacity will go to light a little bit more than the little bit rated that capacity will be down. That time a flashes will create. It means it will be losing the resistivity. Slight flashes will come. Keep on you increase the voltage unknowingly. Unfortunately, you don't see that you keep on applying. The voltage keep on increases. The flashes will start. Keep on increases more voltage. That time the flashes will come. The insulator will complete current will flowing through the power conductor, completely flowing the earth wire. Therefore, the complete current will flowing to the insulators. That time these insulators are permanently damaged. We can say that the voltage at which the insulators are permanently damaged due to excess current will flow into insulators. Such a voltage called as puncture voltage. We can say that the puncture voltage will be more voltage compared to a flashover voltage. At what voltage your insulator going to be damaged completely permanently? That nothing but a puncture voltage. We can write down here the voltage at which the insulators are permanently damaged. That voltage is called as puncture voltage. Always you are trying to design your insulators more puncture voltage. That's what, if high voltage will come also, it should be safe up to the mark. That's what you maintain always more puncture voltages. Compared flashes will come up to the mark we can manage, but puncture voltage should come, the insulator completely will be damaged. So next, to explain these two concepts, we are coming a factor of safety or safety factor. Also you can write the safety factor. The safety factor is nothing but the ratio of puncture voltage to flashover voltage. Puncture voltage to flashover voltage. The factor of safety notation is X. We can consider right now. So always the puncture voltage is more than the flashover voltage. That's what X value is always greater than 1. I think we know that the puncture voltage is always greater than the flashover voltage. The puncture voltage is always greater than the flashover voltage, because more than after flashover only puncture will come to the picture. That's what puncture voltage should be more than the flashover voltage. Always if you are trying to maintain high voltage, then only insulator will be damaged. That's a very good insulator. To designing things, always you have to maintain the factor of safety is greater than 1. That's what puncture voltage is greater than the flashover voltage. We can say the puncture strength, or also not correct only. Puncture strength is greater than flashover strength. In such a way, you have to design your insulators. This is what the puncture voltage and flashover voltage in the insulator concept. I hope you understand what is puncture voltage and what is flashover voltage. I hope this video is very clear it is. Thanks for watching. Interested, make a subscribe. Links will come to your mail address. Thanks for watching. Keep continuing.